Please be sure you are on worksheet number 119 for this lesson. Please put your name up at the top. We are going to start on number 1, practicing our sounds. Number 1, J. Remember, it can be any or all J options. Number 2, D. Number 3, P. Number 4, ng. Number 5, t. Number 6, z. Number 7, n. Number 8, ah. Number 9, w. Number 10, ooh. Let's practice spelling wild colt words. Put your finger by number 11 and spell the word most. Put your finger by number 12 and spell the word cold. Now echo these words and listen for the sound in the medial position. Field, thief, yield. What sound do you hear in the medial position? There are 2 letters making the E sound. Can you guess what they are? IE, good job. What do you think IE is? Good, it's a digraph. That's when 2 letters come together to make one sound. How do we code digraphs? Good, we underline them. How should we code this digraph so it says E? Good job, we're going to put a macron over the E to show the long E sound. And then we're going to cross out the I because we do not hear that sound. Do these words need any other coding? Let's look at field. Does field need any other coding? Good job, it's done. Let's look at thief. Does thief need any other coding? Yes, we need to underline the digraph TH that says th. We are done coding these words. Now, echo these words and listen for the sound in the final position. Tie, lie. What sound do you hear in the final position? I. Let's look at these words to see what could be making the I sound. What 2 letters do you see that might make the I sound? Good, I and E. Digraph IE makes 2 sounds. It makes the E sound and the I sound like we have just seen in these words. How do we code this digraph so it will say I? Good job. We're going to put a macron above the I to show that it has a long I sound, and we're going to cross out the E because we don't hear that sound. Also, because it is a digraph, please be sure that you underline the digraph. Do these words need any other coding? No, we're done. Is the digraph IE a vowel digraph or a consonant digraph? Good job. It is a vowel digraph because it starts with a vowel and it has 2 vowels in it. When we think of our IE digraphs, we are going to think about shield, E, and pi, I. So when you see these letters, think about these key word pictures to help us with our sounds. Point to number 13 and spell the word pie. Point to the number 14 and spell the word lie. Point to the number 15 and spell the word field. Remember to use our strategy that we just learned today. When you are done spelling these words, please code the words on the rest of this page. Please be careful to be sure and read the word aloud to see if it is an I sound or an E sound. Read the word both ways to see which one is going to make sense. If you don't know what the word is, maybe try the other sound to help you out. Please be sure that you code each code that we learned today and that we've learned in the past. On the back, there is a box of words to help you come up with some ideas for your sentences and use the picture to help you. Please be sure to finish the whole page with sentences.